Manufacturing payroll refers to the total wages and salaries paid to workers in the manufacturing sector. This includes employees involved in the production of goods across a variety of industries, such as automotive, electronics, machinery, chemicals, textiles, and more. It reflects the compensation provided to individuals who are directly involved in the manufacturing process or in supporting roles, such as management and administrative positions within manufacturing companies. Key aspects of manufacturing payroll include the composition of manufacturing payroll, which consists of production workers who are directly involved in the manufacturing process, including assembly line workers, machine operators, quality control inspectors, and other roles that directly contribute to the production of goods. Support and supervisory staff include maintenance personnel, supervisors, managers, engineers, and administrative staff that support manufacturing operations. Wages and salaries encompass various forms of compensation, such as hourly wages, salaries, bonuses, overtime pay, and other benefits. Payroll reporting is crucial, with manufacturing payroll data often reported on a monthly and quarterly basis. This data is important for understanding the economic health of the manufacturing sector, which plays a significant role in the overall economy of many countries. The total amount paid to workers in the manufacturing sector can be used to assess wage trends, labor cost inflation, and overall labor market conditions within the manufacturing industry. Manufacturing payroll is an important indicator of the health of the manufacturing sector. A rise in manufacturing payrolls often signals increased production and demand for goods, which can be a sign of economic expansion. Conversely, a decline in manufacturing payrolls may suggest reduced production and potentially point to economic contraction or a slowdown in demand for goods. Growth in manufacturing payrolls generally reflects job creation in the sector, which can have a positive impact on local economies, especially in regions where manufacturing is a key industry. Manufacturing payrolls can influence overall wage levels in the economy. Higher wages in manufacturing may lead to increased consumer spending, but it could also increase production costs for manufacturers, which may result in higher prices for consumers. Government data is tracked by national statistical agencies, such as the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics or other government bodies, as part of broader economic data releases. These reports often break down payroll figures by industry, including manufacturing. Trade organizations and industry associations may also survey companies within the manufacturing sector to monitor trends in payrolls, wage levels, and labor conditions. Factors influencing manufacturing payrolls include economic growth and demand, where strong economic growth and rising consumer demand for goods typically lead to an increase in manufacturing payrolls, as businesses hire more workers to meet production needs. Technological advancements can affect manufacturing payrolls, as automation and other technological innovations may decrease the number of workers required in certain manufacturing roles, while also creating demand for skilled workers in new areas. Outsourcing and offshoring can impact payrolls in higher wage countries, as the relocation of manufacturing jobs to other countries with lower labor costs may lead to a decline in domestic payrolls. Seasonal fluctuations in some manufacturing industries can cause variations in payrolls, such as the holiday season, increasing production in consumer goods industries. The level of manufacturing payrolls can indicate trends in wages within the sector. If companies are increasing payroll spending, it may be due to higher wages, additional hiring, or the inclusion of benefits. This can reflect a demand for skilled labor, labor shortages, or competitive wage growth. Changes in minimum wage laws or labor regulations may influence manufacturing payrolls by increasing wage costs for employers, which could lead to adjustments in hiring practices or even automation to offset higher labor costs. In many developed economies, manufacturing payrolls have been shrinking over the past few decades due to factors such as automation, globalization, and the outsourcing of jobs to lower-cost regions, leading to a shift from manufacturing-based economies to service-based economies. Some countries, such as the US, have seen efforts to bring back manufacturing jobs through reshoring initiatives, which aim to increase domestic manufacturing payrolls by attracting companies to set up or expand operations locally. For example, Imagine a report showing that the manufacturing sector in a country added 50,000 jobs in a particular month. This could be interpreted as an indicator of economic recovery or growth in demand for manufactured goods. However, if the wages in the sector also increase by 5%, it might suggest that companies are not only hiring more workers, but also offering better pay to attract skilled labor.